Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gretchen from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, and as promised, I have my vegan Oreo cookie recipe for you. So right off the bat, I know I'm going to be asked the question, what the heck? Oreos are already vegan. Why are you making them? So without going into a whole lot of detail, technically Oreos are not vegan, at least not here in the US, because of the sugar that they use to make the cookies. The sugar that is used is processed through animal bone char, so obviously that's not considered vegan, not to mention the whole palm oil situation and the heavy glyphosate that's found in a lot of these name brand products. So without going into a lot of detail about that, and I do talk a little bit more about it on my blog post, as always, the links are below at gretchensveganbakery.com if you guys want to really kind of research a little bit more about what I'm talking about if this is news to you. So like, what the heck is going on with our food system is absolutely hijacked and disgusting. And so we are going to make our own homemade, non-GMO, organic, glyphosate-free, vegan Oreo cookies. All right, let's get to the recipe. So without further ado, let me just tell you, these cookies are so awesome and so easy to make and cheap too. For the chocolate cookie, I am using Earth Balance vegan butter, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, confectioner's sugar, a bit of baking soda and sea salt, and vanilla extract. You are going to get all the dry ingredients into your mixing bowl and then blend it on low to combine. The vegan butter is still cold and I'm throwing that in. I've cut it up into like tablespoon sized pieces and then just keep blending it on low for what will seem like a year and a day. And it will make you think that there is something really wrong with this recipe. There isn't. It just takes some time to get it all together. Because this recipe is a high ratio of dry ingredients to the fat, this is what makes these cookies dry and crispy like the real deal Oreo cookie. So it's essentially a shortbread cookie, really. So after about 5 minutes, you will see that it starts to finally come together and you can add the vanilla extract and then give it a whiz on high speed just for a few seconds. Next, you're going to turn it out onto a piece of plastic wrap. Oh my god, now you're using plastic wrap, how dare you! Or parchment paper, but honestly, the plastic wrap just makes it so much easier since this is a really sticky, soft dough. And the reason that I'm not using flour to roll it like I would a normal cookie dough is because then there's going to have some major flour streaks all in it. It's really going to dull that vibrant, deep chocolate sheen of this cookie dough. And you will need quite a lot of flour to roll this dough. So it's just really better to do it this way. And as you see, you are going to have to flip this dough over a couple of times as you roll it and then unstick the plastic wrap, flip it back over, peel it off. It's a little bit of a process, but you'll get the hang of it pretty quickly. You're going to roll it to 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, and then you're going to cut out your discs. Now I've picked a cookie cutter that is 1 3/4 inches in diameter. Dip it in a little bit of flour just to make sure that they don't stick into the cutter. And then, on a parchment-lined or a non-stick sheet pan, bake it in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. While they are baking, you can go ahead and make the filling. It is simply confectioner's sugar and vegan butter mixed exactly the same way as the dough. Just wait for it to come together, and it eventually will. It is going to be a really soft dough that's actually rollable. It's not going to be sticky at all, but it's still easier to do it with the plastic wrap method that I showed you with the dough. And depending on how thick you like your filling, are you a double stuffed kind of person or just regular, you're going to roll it to the desired thickness. I did mine pretty much the same thickness as my cookies. I guess mine were probably double stuffed. So all you have to do now is sandwich them together and voila, you have yourself some homemade Oreo cookies. Perfect for snacking with a tall glass of almond milk or whatever plant milk you like to get down with. Or use them in your recipes. Why not try my Oreo cheesecake with these bad boys? Or a cookies and cream cake would be divine. Alright guys, well thanks a lot for watching my video and for sticking through my little educational thing in the beginning there. And feel free to debate amongst yourselves in the comments section below I know there is so much heated topics around the vegan sugar. Not so much the vegan sugar. I think just a lot of people don't really realize about the vegan sugar and it not being vegan. But when it gets into the palm oil debate, that really can get heated, and I have seen that happen. So I just ask you all to be nice. Not everyone is on the same level of awareness as you might be or think that you are. And look, I just really think that if we can all just try to live as cruelty-free as possible, then we're doing the best that we can, right? So be nice. It's best to inform people about information that you might know about rather than come at them hard and judgmental about it. So kindness is always going to, what do they say? You're going to catch a lot more ants with honey. I don't know really what they say, but I don't know. Sugar's sweeter than salt is basically what we're trying to say. So just be nice, everybody. If you have information that you think is valuable and you want to share around this topic, please, by all means, leave it in the comments section below. We are all just on a journey trying to make this world a better place for everybody. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.